Stop getting turned down for large loans at low interest rates. Stop being discouraged or embarrassed about your credit. If you have concerns and if you are serious about your credit and debt, great news. Problems solved. There is no other e-course on credit and debt that compares to our effectiveness, and it is not even close. You learn how some people are scored unfairly and others are scored very favorably in the credit scoring process. Furthermore, you learn the surefire way to delete inquiries. That's important for a lot of people. Security freezes with all 10 of the smaller data furnishing subsidiary bureaus. This can block the bureaus from verifying debt and their systems deleted automatically. Metro 2 Compliance and their eOscar. Most good credit repair companies that only do an easy 4 or 5 of these security freezes require a lot of extra work and time, but are super effective at removing lates and charge-offs. And we have videos of us doing this online to make it very easy for you to see how we do it and for you to walk through on a second screen as you do each one. This yields great results for your credit report. eOscar and Metro 2 Compliance also allows consumers to make unique verification requests and mandate a response back. A lot of people aren't aware of this. This is another powerful technique and is used as a circle of leverage with everything else that we do. We provide you sample affidavits and actual completed affidavits so you can see the difference and do what works for you. We show you how to use them with extreme effectiveness. We assist you on certified mail and how to set up your calendar for any needed second and third round letters. We give you the government agencies' websites, addresses, contacts on whom to CC your disputes to. You will also learn amazing tricks on how to easily get top-level bank and collector and credit bureau executives' phone extensions, email addresses, and frequently their cell phone numbers too. And we've been doing this for years. Consumer laws, both federal, state, and appellate rulings, we provide you all of this stuff that have favored the consumer, and they're also included and can save you several hours alone from doing the research yourself. This e-course is for those who want or are in need to do this yourselves. If you have a lot of money, you can of course hire us to do this for you. How serious are you about your credit? Really, honesty to yourself. Life is short, make the moves. Think about the people who put off their credit debt from them not taking a top-notch, elite, and thorough care of their credit and debt situation. What opportunities have they missed out on? Do they not realize it can easily get fixed? It's a bit painful to deal with challenges. It's way more painful to know that you could have really fixed it quickly than to keep procrastinating and still continually not qualifying for strong desired loans. What will it be to you and your family and your future for you to finally have perfect credit again? What makes the most financial sense for you and your family? You deserve to have great credit and no delinquent debt. Sadly, some people will find reasons to put this off. They will lose out on great future deals that come across their way. There'll be super profitable deals lost because their credit still wasn't fixed. Don't allow yourself to be that person. You have full support, and this is the best product ever created, and it's not even close. How truly serious are you about your credit and debt? Get your e-course right now. Take a look at our testimonials on our website. Hundreds, not of random people. CPAs, certified financial planners, first name, last name, the name of their firm, city, state, they would never allow that. And these are the most conservative types of people. We work with very serious clients. We also have these e-courses now for the people who are a little financially challenged. And they're thorough. They come with videos. They come with sample documents, filled out documents. They come with full chat support and more. We want you to succeed. We're here to help.